Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 172 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Rain on the Roof. Let's take a moment to imagine the sound of gentle rain tapping softly above you, a reminder that even in stormy times, you are safe and held. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Allow your body to relax and let your breath slow gently. Now, picture yourself in a warm and quiet room. The soft sound of rain touches the rooftop, steady and rhythmic. Let it lull your nervous system and let it soften your thoughts. There is no rush here, no urgency, only the soft reminder that you are allowed to rest. Let the sound of rain become a blanket, steady, calming, and familiar. Every drop that lands brings you deeper into calm, and every tap reminds you that you are safe inside. Let this moment be enough. When you're ready, gently begin to bring yourself back to the room. Take a deep breath and carry the quiet with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of peace.